Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to move Kahoots between workspaces. Before I do that, let me show you how to switch between workspaces. First, you should be logged into your account. Then click on the icon of your current workspace, the first icon from the top on the left side panel, and from the drop-down menu, click on the workspace where the relevant Kahoot is stored. You can see the private workspace here and the team workspaces. So in order to move Kahoots between the workspaces, you should go to your library and make sure you are in the workspace where the game is currently saved. Then click on the 3 vertical dots next to the relevant Kahoot. Then you can click Move. Click back until you are in the workspace window. Select the needed workspace. Choose the folder that you want your Kahoot to be moved to, and click Move here. Now your Kahoot is moved to another workspace. Well done, and enjoy your game!